Understanding Prenuptial Agreements, a guide for beginners. Hello and welcome to our language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting topic that often pops up in conversations about marriage and finance. We'll be diving into the world of prenuptial agreements, commonly known as prenups. Whether you've heard about it in movies, read it in articles, or are simply curious about what it means, this video will clarify the concept and its relevance in modern relationships. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of prenups together. A prenuptial agreement, or prenup, is a legal contract that two people sign before they get married. This isn't just any agreement, but a very special one that talks about the finances of both individuals. It's like a plan that outlines who owns what and what will happen to each person's money and property if the marriage ends, whether by divorce or death. You might wonder why someone would think about the end of a marriage before it even begins. Well, prenups aren't about being pessimistic but about being practical and prepared. Here are some reasons why people choose to sign a prenup. 1. To protect assets. If one person is entering the marriage with significant assets like property, inheritance, or a business, a prenup can help protect these assets. 2. To clarify financial responsibilities. Couples can use a prenup to outline who will pay for what during the marriage. 3. To avoid conflict. In case of a divorce, a prenup can reduce conflict and make the process smoother and less stressful. 4. To protect from debt. If one person has a lot of debt, a prenup can ensure that the other person isn't held responsible for it after marriage. Prenups often get a bad reputation, and there are many myths surrounding them. Let's clear some up. 1. Prenups are only for the rich. This is not true. While wealthy individuals might use them more often, prenups can benefit anyone who wants to protect their assets or clarify financial arrangements. 2. Signing a prenup means you don't trust each other. This is a common misconception. In reality, discussing a prenup can actually strengthen a relationship by ensuring both parties are on the same page regarding finances. Talking about prenups can be sensitive, but it's an important conversation. Here are some tips. 1. Start early. Bring up the topic well before the wedding to avoid any rush or pressure. 2. Be honest. Share your thoughts, feelings, and concerns openly with your partner. 3. Seek legal advice. It's crucial to involve lawyers to ensure that the agreement is fair and legally sound. And that's a wrap on prenuptial agreements. Remember, signing a prenup is a personal decision and varies from couple to couple. It's all about being informed, prepared, and ensuring that both parties feel secure and understood. We hope this video has shed light on the topic and made the concept of prenups a bit clearer for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.